Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. Alright, I'm back, guys, with Club Cash Fund. I told you I was going to keep you updated on the progression that I'm having with this program, simple program. No mailing is required, okay? But before we get to that, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me. Go ahead and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I do an update. The channel you landed on, you landed here, and you see me because you're online right now searching for a way to make money online. And that's what I do. I'm an affiliate marketer, and I show you how you can promote other people's products and earn a commission when they click your link, okay? So that's where we are here. So we're back with Club Cash Fund, and just want to show you guys some emails that I received. We've got some more envelopes coming this week. Due to the holiday, there was a delay, so I'll come back when those arrive. But just want to show you some of the emails that I received from the company on kits that have gone out, on commissions that's going to be received. And I'm going to show you, I ran some traffic, because that's really what I do with this. Of course, I do videos, but I run traffic, okay? And that's what I did, and I'm going to show you how many kits came out of that. And then I also sent an email out to everyone that receives a kit. I allow them time, you know, because let's say you order your kit, you get it this week, and then maybe next week, if I don't, I'll follow it with an email. But at any rate, just want to show you some progress. I am on the landing page here at Club Cash Fund. By the way, call that number. You will hear testimonies of people that have made money with this opportunity, okay, that's never made a dime online. They've tried everything and nothing have worked, okay? So this is a great way to get into the direct mail business at a low entry cost of $100, and you're going to make unlimited $20 commissions on 3 tiers, okay? So it's a low entry, low ticket, but it can build to be something greater, okay? So another income stream for me. So let me just show you some emails that have come through. When you get on this page, though, by the way, once you opt into the page, you go down here, you watch the video, and you request your kit, okay? It's free, guys. It doesn't cost you a dime. Get that letter in the mail, read over it. If you're interested, mail your $100 back in, and you can start doing this as well, and I'll show you how I'm doing it, all right? So let me show you the emails I got from the company. Hang on one second here. All right, let me show you this. Check it out. Okay, go to besteasyworkincome.com and get your kit, free kit today, okay? So if you look right here, okay, these emails come from the company. You got cash, okay? So right here today, let's see, at 1:02, there were 2 that came in from the company that you got cash, okay? So I'm going to click on them so you can check it out, okay? And the company pays, by the way, every Friday they'll mail you your commission. And, you know, that's how they do it. It used to be Wednesday, but now it's every Friday. So mine kind of come between Wednesday, Thursday-ish. Depends on the mail. Well, let's see, this thing is going slow. Okay, right here. Okay. I just checked the mail, and guess what? You got commission. Now, look, this is in position 2. So that means that my team is working. When it's in position 1, that means that's from my efforts. So that's telling me that my team is working, and I have a commission coming from me being in position 2. I love to see those because that means my team is making money. And every time they make money, I make money. Okay? So let's look at the other one. There was 2 that came in. Okay, here's the other one. There's one at 1 o'clock, and then there's one at 1:02. And there's another one. Okay? So the company will notify you when you have a commission coming. And it's saying they'll put that in the mail for Friday. Okay? So I've got 2 of those coming. Okay? 2 more, well, 2 more that came today. Take it to the back office. By the way, this is a capture page I created in the Conversion Pros too. When I run traffic, I do traffic. Some go to this page and some goes to the company page because I test them both. Okay, so let's go to my back office. Hang on. Okay, right here I want to just show you guys. If you look at this page, it tells you right now I have 37 kits that have gone out in position 1, where I'm in position 1 from my efforts. Okay, then there's 13 kits that have gone out with me in position 2. So we're getting there, okay? So I've got another level to hit to get to where I'm in position 3 on my kit. So far I've got 13, okay, that in which I'm in position 2. So that means I'm on the second level where my team is working and I'm in position 2, okay? So let's take a look here. Now, if you look to the left, I'm in my back office under the column that says leads, and I'm covering up everybody's name and email. But look to the left there, guys. These are leads that have been coming in, okay? And I'm going to flip over now and just show you some more info. But I'm in the back office with these leads. So you get leads. Sometimes what happens is you get people that are enter the information as a lead, and you'll have a different category of people that also have requested their kit. So this is lead. So hang on a second. Okay, now check this out. I did this last week. I ran traffic on the 4th. I believe it was the 4th. That is the link down here, and I don't want to reveal that information, so I have it covered. But they over-delivered. I purchased 100 clicks, but they gave me 159. Out of that 159, the system tells me, this is in the Club Cash Fund back office. You can track this as well. Out of 159 clicks, I got 18 leads, okay? And then I had 4 people to request, it looks like kits, okay? That's what it's telling me. But look at some other stats that I have. And see, it varies, okay, depending on which page you're using. Right here, it shows I had 118 clicks. Okay, that's clicks. Okay, that's what the hits. These are hits. But out of that, 18 actually opted in. But right here, out of 118 hits, 22 opted in, 13 request kits, and 7 people signed up. See, it varies, but you just keep sending your traffic. That's what I'm doing, send solos. And look at this one, 3,000 hits, 54 leads, 19 requests, 3 members. So you just never know, okay? But the point is I can track everything back here. So let's go a little further. Okay, now let's look at where we are today. 9-9. If you look there, it tells you pending 9-9, even up through this point. Okay, there are some pending payments. It shows commissions. Okay, it's 9-9. That's today. So that's $40 that's showing up right there, guys. So this system actually tracks everything for you, so you can know what's going on in your business from the time that people come in as a lead. If they request a kit, it tells you who they are, and it shows you when the kits were mailed out, and then it shows you when people sign up. Okay, so let me show you. Hang on a second. It even shows you the position. I want to show you that real quick. Look to your right. It shows you the position of that sale, whether it was position 1 or position 2. Okay, so again, it lets me know that that sale came from someone on my team when I'm in position 2. Position 1 means that's from my efforts, but position 2 and 3 will be from my teammates. So you can see teammates are making money when you see this. Okay, this works. Now look, it says starter kits mailed. It shows you even when the company mailed out. It shows you to the left there when someone requested the kit and when the company mailed them out. Okay, so you even know that. So it's a good way to gauge, because what I'm doing is I wait about a week, so all the kits that say go out this week, maybe next week, if I don't see that they've signed up and I've received a commission from them, I may send an email just to, say who I am and see if they had any questions, okay? So you can see everything from here. You'll have the email address of all your members, so you can reach out to them as well, okay? To you guys, I'm going to be transparent with this because I want you to see the progress as we go through this, okay? So let's see here. Hang on a second. Alright, so as you can see right here, I'm in my back office. So far, we've got 10 referrals. We've had 37 kits to go out. The company mailed. I never spent a dime on any mailings. So the company has mailed 37 kits in position 1 from my efforts. They've mailed 13 kits with me being in position 2, which means my teammates, okay, they're doing some work. So I've received 10 referrals, 220 so far. Okay, again, we're building this business. This is going to be a second income for me, a passive income, okay? And you know I have other opportunities that I'm promoting. But as this thing is built and the foundation is set, these commissions are going to just be coming in effortlessly, okay? And all I'm going to do is run traffic and do a video and talk about it. Run traffic, do a video, send an email. Run traffic, do a video, and send an email. That's it, basically. Now, I do place some ads as well for this too, and I'll show you can do that as well. But what I'm saying is I'm not mailing anything. I'm not stuffing an envelope. I'm not buying stamps for this business. I'm just going to run traffic, run ads, send emails, send a text message, things like that, okay? So as you can see right here, we're just getting the week started. And let's go down a little further here. As you can see, I had 2 sales so far. I'm showing up on the leaderboard, okay? And like I said, I'm running traffic. I'll show you how to do that as well. So for 50 bucks, you can send, you can give your link and send it and get 100 targeted people over. And I found another source. I'm going to share that with you a little bit less, and it's working as well. But I want to test it first. So I'll share that with you guys as well, okay? So this definitely works, guys. If you're looking for a way to get in this opportunity and not have to do any mailings, Club Cash Fund, another great passive way to make money in the direct mail business without you doing the mailing. The company is doing the mailing for me. All I do is get people over to my capture page. They request a kit. The company does the mailing for me, and I collect, okay? So this is a capture page, the Conversion Pros, and once you join me, I can give you my share code if you want this page as well, okay? And remember, the company has a capture page for you too, but I like to test both, and I run traffic through both of them. So with that being said, what I'm going to do is put the link below so you can join me in Club Cash Fund. Don't forget to subscribe. Click that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload, okay? I look forward to working with you guys. This definitely works. You can do this if you don't want to be on social media or do any of those things. You can run traffic, okay? So this is one that will work for everybody, all right? So look forward to working with you guys. I'll see you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.